Got a lot of smoke here in the cab of the tractor here going down the farm road at the JB Turf Farm, jbgrowers.com. Here's my mowing GPS mapping and fuel, RPMs and whatnot, speed. Just stopped here for a minute to show you the smoke. Pretty bad smoke here in the northwest. Actually for about 2.5, 3 weeks now. Probably 3 weeks. Well, on and off. Some days are clear. Today's a smoky one. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day. Thanks. I've got lots of videos. Just putting them out. Thank you.